What's going on, YouTube? I was just trying to make a video showing on what I was making here. I'm making a scale hoist. This part is supposed to be turned this way. Whoop. I'm going the wrong way. That's supposed to be turned like that. It's supposed to go in here like that. That's going to be the base. These are the arms. This is our slider. I'm thinking about punching a hole in here. Thinking about making that to where it'll be controlled by a motor and do 2 motors per hoist is what I'm thinking. And this is the part set here. It's all on Thingiverse. You can go in there now and download it and print it out. And the arms, these arms, I want these arms to slide. And then we'll have a pin right here for the car part, or for the car stands. And just sand that out, drill it out, and then slide these in. Put a little detail on there, a little motor in the oil reserve bottle. Yeah, that's the back of it. This is the base, separate, so that way you can print this and glue it. The tower will be separate, and the slider, that's separate. In that case, let's check out the Alunar printer. It's doing pretty good. It's printing the base right now. I did everything with supports and just on the bottom, just because some of the parts I just didn't want them falling over. This is my last print about an hour ago. Got some broken parts. I went on Thingiverse and I was just looking to see if anybody made a hoist. I didn't find one, so I was like, I'll make one myself. But I found this cool little pan car, but this happened in the printing. That broke. So it's pretty cool. This is sweet right here. Took only like 3 hours to print. Little pan car. We'll try and make it. But just want to say like, share, subscribe. Get out there and RC anyway. Hobby it up. Or if you're 3D printing or anything that you're doing. The monoprice printer is down right now because I gotta go and I gotta order an SD card from monoprice because I stuck a random SD card in there, but it doesn't like random SD cards. So I could watch this forever. Hopefully this will work out and this will be a actual working hoist in the next couple videos. Alright, you guys, peace out.